Drain, baby, drain. So we're changing the automatic transmission fluid in the CRV. Oh, it's starting to splash. Let's get this closer. Probably got the wrong drain bucket for this job, but that's okay. It's about finished. So this is supposed to hold 3.1 quarts. I can tell by looking at the fluid come out, it does look pretty dirty. And the drain plug looks like it has quite a bit of metal on it. We'll clean that off, then I'll show you an after. So this is something that's on the to-do list, so to speak. Let that finish draining, then I'm gonna clean off the drain plug, and I'll show you that. Okay, so here's the drain plug, fully cleaned off. Wasn't as bad as it looked. So if it's 3.1 quarts, 1/10 of a quart should be 3.2 ounces, right? So I think what I'm gonna do is just pour this in until I get down to 28. What do you think? All right, that concludes all of our fluid maintenance. So everything's finished. Transmission, rear diff, the radiator we did today, and the oil was done when the timing belt was finished. Timing belt, water pump, all that stuff is done. So what's left? Struts. We have struts and tires. Struts, tires, maybe some cleaning, and this thing's going to be adventure ready. So anyway, hang in there, and we're going to be adventuring pretty soon. It's a little bonus footage. If you're wondering how you get a funnel down to the transmission to fill it, what I did was take this automatic transmission fluid funnel and I put a hose on it. Otherwise, you're really not going to be able to get a funnel down to the trans. I did 3 quarts, 4 ounces, a little bit more than what the manual calls for, but should be fine.